this video, we're going to explore a simple one-bowl system for creating healthy, balanced Mediterranean diet meals and put together 3 nourishing, colorful, tasty bowls from some of the most popular ingredients in the Mediterranean diet. Because after all, a Buddha bowl or Nourish bowl or grain bowl or hippie bowl or macro bowl are just the classic Mediterranean way to eat every day, balanced with veggies, grains, and proteins in a sauced-up one-bowl meal. At the heart of a one-bowl meal is keeping everything in balance between vegetables, healthy whole grains, and healthy proteins. 1/2 nutrient-dense vegetables, 1/4 energy-boosting fiber-packed whole grains, and 1/4 healthy building block proteins. The treats that top it off to make it extra special and add even more texture, flavor, and color can range from nuts and seeds, sprouts, diced avocado, fresh herbs, or seasonal pomegranate seeds if you're looking for a juicy, crunchy burst of color. And finally, the essential pull it all together part, just the right dressing. I get so much inspiration from a visit to the mercado, especially since the markets are starting to burst with springtime freshness. Asparagus, artichokes, arugula, chard, radishes, and spring garlic. And since spring produce is usually lighter in flavor, tender, and deliciously delicate, let's go with a fluffy mixed quinoa for the grain so it doesn't overpower the spring mix. I made a batch at the start of the week, and I keep it in the freezer for last-minute bowls or stir-fries. And rounding out the bowl with fava beans, soybeans, provide just the right amount of protein to create a perfect balance. A light pistachio citrus vinaigrette dressing will bring out all the flavors instead of drowning them in a heavy, creamier dressing. Whole grain brown rice and quinoa are usually great ways for me to get in my healthy carbs, but I'm always on the lookout for new, old favorites. So lately I've been trying out a whole bunch of ancient Mediterranean whole grains like farro and bulgur, barley, buckwheat, kamut, or freke. And the deeper the flavor of the grain, the better it is to partner with the rich caramelized flavors of roasted veggies like sweet potatoes, cauliflowers, carrots, and red onions like we're doing today. If you already subscribe to my extremely occasional newsletter, then you probably received my latest in your mailbox that includes these mix and match ingredient ideas for Mediterranean bowls. They're just my favorite options that I think about when I'm building a bowl. But as I always say, you do you. And if you'd like to join my list, just click on the link in the description below to start receiving some healthy ideas from me straight to your mailbox. Just don't expect them too often. It's a twice a year or once a quarter sort of thing so far. Plant-based protein from beans and legumes or grilled tofu or tempeh are classics in a typical Buddha bowl. But the beauty of these bowls is that pretty much anything goes, whether plant-based, fish, or chicken. If you fill 1/4 of your bowl with any of these protein-rich options, you'll have your protein needs covered. Since we had chicken for dinner last night with leftovers to spare, we're going to make fast work of this bowl, combining the chicken with a quick stir fry of prepped veggies that take all of 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Then top it off with a big drizzle of thinned out almond, lemon, ginger, garlic dressing that complements all the ingredients just right. And if you're looking for other ways to make fast work of enjoying Mediterranean meals in your everyday diet, then just click on this playlist next.